Hello, my name is Christopher Lieb. This is Arduino Lab 1. I have here my Arduino and my breadboard. I have my positive hooked up to the 5-volt right here, and then the black hooked up to the ground, and 5-volt is hooked up here. The resistor here is hooked to the positive side, which goes to my switch right here, which goes to my LED, which then goes to this jumper, which jumps back to the ground. It is hooked up to my computer using the USB. I push the button, LED turns on, release turns off. For part 2, I still have my positive and negative hooked up the same way. Again, my resistor going to my switch, but this time I have a jumper, which goes to another switch, which goes to my LED, which jumps back to ground. If I push one, or if I push the other, it doesn't turn on. If I push both, they turn on. Part 3, positive, negative, still the same. Ground or resistor is connected from the positive over here, and it's jumped between these two switches, which are hooked in parallel. So I can push either one, and it'll send the current through the LED back to the jumper and come back. So don't need to push both at the same time, just one at a time because it's in parallel. Part 4, the wiring is slightly different. The black is still connected to the ground, but the red is connected to number 13 over here. Still the same down here. Red is positive, black is negative. Positive goes to the resistor here, which goes to the LED, which goes back to my jumper, which jumps back to my negative, completing the circuit. And it blinks. There's the code I copied. Yay.